skin.
Today is day 20, beautiful babes, and this one is important because sometimes the skin isn't loose from age alone. It's loose from weakness. You can tighten skin temporarily, but if the skin barrier is weak, it relaxes again by the next day. That's why some people say masks work for a few hours. Then my face drops again. This treatment fixes why that happens. After 50, your skin produces less oil and less support structure, so the surface becomes dry, thin, and flexible instead of resilient. Think of it like fabric. Hydrated fabric holds shape. Dry fabric wrinkles. This treatment helps improve elasticity appearance, soften crepey texture, support the moisture barrier, and make tightening results last longer. So instead of just pulling the skin tight, we are feeding it what it needs to stay lifted. This is especially for you if your skin feels thin, your neck looks crepey, your face tightens after a mask but loosens again quickly. Apply this to clean skin. This one goes on both the face and the neck. Use upward lifting motions from the collarbone to the jawline, then cheeks to the temple. Take your time. Application matters. Leave on 20 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. It's best used in the evening because skin repairs while you sleep. Yes, you can leave it on longer. This is a nourishing tightening mask, not a drying one. You may leave a thin layer on up to 30 minutes if your skin tolerates it. And the ingredients are probably in your kitchen right now. Let's talk about them. 1 tablespoon of a mashed banana. Make sure it's very ripe, and this one is. 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. 1 teaspoon of honey, and 3 to 4 drops of olive oil. This mask works because banana contains natural ingredients that help soften and support elasticity. Yogurt gently smooths and refines texture. The honey hydrates and plumps the skin. Olive oil restores moisture and helps reduce crepey appearance. Of course, it's simple to prepare. Just mash the banana until it's smooth. Make sure there's no big chunks in it, and then add the yogurt, add the honey, and then the olive oil. Now mix it well. You want a creamy consistency. And to apply it, just apply it with your fingers or a brush. Put on a medium layer over the face and neck, and try to use lifting strokes and gently press into the skin. Don't rub. After applying, lightly press your palms against your cheeks for 20 seconds to help absorption. You won't feel hard tightening like egg mask. Instead, you'll feel comfort and softness. This is hydration restoring elasticity. Rinse with lukewarm water and gently massage while removing. Now pat dry and immediately apply your moisturizer or facial oil. Today I'm using an oil from the Ayurveda Experience, and I will list it in the description box for you. Now, after rinsing, your skin should feel softer, lines will look less harsh, your face appears fuller, your neck looks smoother. Within a few uses, your makeup sits better, your skin looks healthier. Tightening treatments last longer. And beautiful babes, that's it. Firm skin isn't just about pulling it tight, it's about giving it strength. Hey, I'll see y'all on tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye now.
I'm looking good, but I'm trying to look better.